enjoy the difference.
Hey guys, it's Colt Adams here at Classic and Lawton Chevy. We're going to introduce to you the 2021 Chevy Silverado RST. One of the main features, if you're the type of guy that likes a clean, slick look, you like the front bumper, you like the door handles, the back bumper, and all that to match, that comes standard in an RST. Super clean, you can really customize. This one comes with 22-inch rims. One of the other cool standard features that come in an RST is a rear wheel locking differential. So if you're not really wanting to spend that extra buck and don't have to have full-wheel drive, that comes standard. So as always, as Chevy, they have the easy lift and down tailgate. Super cool feature. Don't have to worry about it slamming down. Chevy is known for having 12 tie downs in the back of the truck. So I believe Chevy, out of all different makes and models, has the most tie downs. Most of all of ours that we order will come standard also with running boards. It has 10 airbags in the inside of it. So if you're about safety, I mean, everything in the inside of that cab is covered. The back of your headrest, all that, and it also comes standard with a rear seat reminder. If you leave your precious cargo in the back, it's going to take off beeping at you. You can also get it in all three different size motors. You can get it in the 2.7, the 5.3, the 6.2, and you can get it in the 3.0 Duramax. So it's a keyless entry, super cool. If you're the type of guy that don't always want to have the keys in your hand, you got it in your pocket, you got it in the bottom of your purse. As long as you're within distance, you can push the button, you can lock it and unlock it with actually having to pull your keys out. Powered seats, also got a lumbar. It's a major plus if you do drive a lot or travel. So, but you do have the power seat and the lumbar on this side. You got the bench. You also got a power seat on the other side as well. So not just the captain. RST is also going to come standard with heated seats and a heated steering wheel. A lot of people think, and 2 or 3 years prior back, if you wanted heated seats, you had to have leather. It's not the case anymore. Your standard cruise control, Bluetooth, dual climate control, heated seats. You do have the drop button down here to drop your tailgate. So if you are hooking up to a trailer, don't want to have to get out just for that, you can push the button. Super cool. Traction control. You can push this button here and it will drop all 4 of your windows at the same time. Backup camera. Also, if you have a trailer, there's your receiver. You can hit that button. It gives you a hard red line to actually go straight to your receiver. If you are backing up to a trailer by yourself, does make it quite a bit easier. So on this, it's super cool. You do have the hands-free Bluetooth to answer your phone, to deny a phone call. Also has the Apple CarPlay, the Android Auto, so it's very, you know, if you have an Apple phone or you have an Android, it works for both of it. Super cool. All your features are down here, so you can set it up too. If you got a younger kid, younger generation driving the car, and you don't want anybody, you don't want them texting while they're driving the vehicle, you can set that up, and they will not receive a text or a call till the car is actually in park.
Classic Chevrolet, relax, enjoy the difference.